Now we're going to go through the mine stall test. Again, switch the unit on. The warm-up countdown will begin. For demonstration purposes, we'll bypass the warm-up. This is where we have an opportunity to select the mine stall test or the free acceleration test. I've pressed enter to undergo the mine stall test. Place the probe in clean air, select enter using the remote control or directly through the enter button on the front of the instrument. Again, you'll see the 0 setting bar increase, and it may come back to 0 if the instrument is not happy with the 0 result. The instrument will tell you when it is ready to conduct the test. For demonstration purposes, the probe has already been inserted into the exhaust. The operator can then enter the cab of the vehicle with the remote control. Alternatively, if conducting a two-person operation, the local operator of the instrument can then communicate verbally to the operator in the cab when to apply a load and when to unapply the load. So let's assume that this is a single operation. The operator is in the vehicle, the probe is in the exhaust, the instrument display is facing the operator, and when the operator is ready, he can select the enter button on the remote control. The test will start in 5 seconds, the 5-second countdown timer. The instrument will be sampling in idle mode. This is where there is no load applied to the accelerator. This is approximately 20 seconds and then it'll enter full power mode. It's now entered full power mode where the operator inside the cab applies pressure to the accelerator. As you can see, the LED frequency has increased, identifying the operator to apply that load to the accelerator, and when it's gone back to idle mode, the LED frequency has decreased, therefore indicating to the operator in the cab to take his foot off the accelerator. The test is completed after approximately 60 seconds and the stall test results are displayed. Again, supplementary data, the average concentration in idle mode, the average concentration in power mode, the minimum concentration and the maximum concentration, and all of those values are in milligrams per cubic metre, reference to elemental carbon. One thing to note, when you are conducting the stall test, ensure that the transmission is engaged with the vehicle. If you want to restart the test, you can select the enter button in the remote control as per previously instructed. To switch the unit off, to go to continuous mode, you have to switch the unit off, and then whilst holding the enter button in, switch the unit on. Continuous measurement will be displayed on the screen. Again, it'll start the warm-up countdown, which can be bypassed, selecting the enter button. Again, you have to zero the instrument in clean air, ensuring that the probe is removed from the exhaust prior to conducting the zero. It's important to note that if there is any doubt with regards to the readings obtained from the instrument, ensure that you conduct a zero prior to any test being conducted. Zero value is displayed, and on the display it says ready for continuous measurement. Insert the probe in the exhaust, select the enter button. The test will begin in 5 seconds as per the countdown timer, and the instrument is going to continually monitor the concentration in milligrams per cubic metre, reference to elemental carbon again. You'll notice that there is a bit of a lag in displaying the value of milligrams per cubic metre because it is conducting a number of averages prior to displaying the value on the screen. When you want to exit the continuous measurement mode, select enter. The instrument will restart in 5 seconds, and then again you have an opportunity to either select your Mindstall test or free acceleration test as previously instructed. When you're finished with the instrument, you can switch the instrument off. The next item we'll talk about is the calibration check plug that has been supplied in your dPM-RT kit.